coming back to you today with another tutorial on how to style your wig. So before you get into that, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, and to comment. So today I have this wig here, give you a little bit of history. I've been wearing this wig for over 3 years, and this was a wavy hair that I purchased from a vendor. I washed it. In my last video that I did, it was the washing of the wig. So today I'll be styling the wig with a wand, and I'll show you step by step how to style and curl your wig. So first I'll start off by blow drying the hair. So I will blow dry the hair before I start my curling. So I complete blowing out the hair. So I'll start by sectioning the hair. Sectioning the hair. So this hair, I'll use a heat protector because we protect this hair just as how we'll do our hair, because it still need a heat protector. So I'll do a heat protector on the hair. So I spray on my heat protector. And before I get into it, I'll show you, this is the one that I'm using. So guys, if you have different, you can have different size of wand, but I only have this one. So this is a wand that I'll be using today. And it's from Hot Tools. So my sections is not big. It's according to, you could section it according to the size of your wand. So I'll put, so you can see, I'll put it around, and it's just basically put it around and wrapping it as you go. Put it around and wrap till the end. So make sure the ends go on the wand, so you don't have a fish hook at the ends. And then you'll keep it for a couple of minutes. It depends on how tight you want the curl, but you will keep it, hold it for a couple of minutes, and then you let go. So this is how the curl looks. So you put it and you go over and over and over and over all the ends, and you wrap and you hold. You do it according to how much curls or wave you want in the hair. And this style could keep you for some time. This curl, it lasts for a while. So doing this, it takes a little bit longer than using a flat iron to do this style, but it lasts a bit longer. I'm using this heat protector, BTZ. I pick it up at Sally's. Really like it. I'm gonna do a review on this heat protector. So guys, I show you, this is what happened. If you don't roll everything to the ends, all the way onto the ends. This is what I talk about fish hook. So this will happen to your hair. See the difference with here, this one and this one. So this one was rolled properly all the way to the ends. I'm gonna finish up this curling and then I'll show you the finished product. So guys, this is my finished product on curling the hair with a wand and my wig. So I'll just turn it so you can see this, how beautiful this curl is. Really gorgeous, really nice. I really love this look. So guys, as I said before, I use the wand to do this curl, and all I have to do, you guys have to do, is just to roll it around the iron until the end. You have to be careful not to get your finger burned while doing this curl. You could do this curl on longer hair. You could use it on a longer hair. You probably you need a bigger wand size. But you could do it also on short hair. Even if you have a bob, you can do this curl. The only thing, you would not get this hair this curly, but you will get a wave, which will also be nice. So when I finish, I spread it. If you can buy those soft hole spray, and you spray it and it would last you. And I said this lasts you for a couple of weeks. So it will get, the curls will drop, and then you get a looser wave, which is also nice. So this is the finished look. I love it. I hope you will try this look on your hair. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope if you're not subscribed by now, you subscribe to my channel, hit that red notification, like and share, and also comment. So I thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. Until my next video.